Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how do I create AI generated art with Crayon, a quick tutorial. Ready to transform your creative ideas into AI generated artwork? Look no further than Crayon, where turning text into art is a breeze. Let's dive into the process. Open up the Crayon AI art generator. It's your gateway to unleashing your artistic imagination. Whether it's wild and imaginative or elegantly simple, type out your idea into the provided text box. Crayon loves crazy concepts. With your text in place, it's time to see the magic happen. Click on Draw and watch as Crayon AI brings your concepts to life in the form of unique and captivating artwork. That's it! With Crayon, you don't need to be an artist to create stunning AI-generated art. So, let your creativity run wild and give it a try today. Unleash the artist within and explore the limitless possibilities of AI-generated art with Crayon. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.